Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. In today's episode, we're diving into a magical theme, creating 3 whimsical DIY herbal products. These projects are not only fun and enchanting, but also incredibly simple to make using items you probably already have at home. Get ready to bring some charm and natural beauty into your everyday life. Our first delightful creation is the Lavender Lemon Glow Mist. This mist is both refreshing and calming, making it perfect for a quick pick-me-up during the day or as a soothing end to a long, busy evening. The scent of lavender is known for its relaxing properties, while lemon adds an invigorating zest. The best part? You only need 3 simple ingredients: dried lavender buds, lemon peel, and distilled water. These natural components combine to create a mist that's not only lovely to use, but also easy to make. Here's how you can prepare it at home. Start by mixing the dried lavender buds and lemon peel with distilled water in a pot. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook gently for 15 to 20 minutes. Once that time is up, allow the mixture to cool. Strain the liquid to remove the solids and pour your beautifully scented mist into a spray bottle. And here's a little bonus for you. While you're waiting for your mist to simmer, take a moment to slow down and reflect on Psalm 23. It's a wonderful way to add a touch of mindfulness to your DIY project. Now let's move on to our next enchanting creation. Up next, we have what I like to call dessert for your face, the Healing Honey Rose Mask. This mask is perfect for those with sensitive skin and is the ultimate treat for a late-night pampering session. It combines the soothing properties of raw honey, the gentle exfoliation from rose powder made from dried rose petals, and the moisturizing benefits of yogurt or aloe. To create this luxurious mask, simply take a tablespoon of raw honey, add in a teaspoon of rose powder, and mix with a tablespoon of yogurt or aloe until you have a creamy, smooth consistency. This blend will leave your skin feeling nourished and refreshed. To elevate your experience, consider playing some instrumental worship music and lighting a candle while you apply the mask. It's a wonderful way to create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. Let's move on to our final magical DIY project. Our final magical DIY project is the Herbal Bedtime Tea Spray. This calming bedtime ritual is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of peace and tranquility to their night. It's super easy to make and uses only a few ingredients that you might already have at home. You'll need strong tea made from chamomile and lemon balm, combined with either witch hazel or vanilla extract. Chamomile and lemon balm are well known for their relaxing properties, making them ideal for bedtime. To prepare, simply brew a strong tea using chamomile and lemon balm and allow it to cool. Mix it with an equal part of witch hazel, or a few drops of vanilla extract if you prefer a sweeter scent. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, and you're ready to go. To use, just spray the herbal mix onto your pillow or lightly mist your body before bed. The soothing aroma will help you unwind and create a peaceful environment, perfect for an evening prayer moment. And there you have it. A simple yet enchanting way to make your bedtime routine a bit more magical. And that wraps up our episode for today. We covered 3 charming DIY projects: the Lavender Lemon Glow Mist, the Healing Honey Rose Mask, and the Herbal Bedtime Tea Spray. I hope you feel inspired to try out these whimsical creations and bring a little magic into your everyday life. If you do give them a go, I would love to see your beautiful work. Share your creations on Instagram and tag me or send me a message. Don't forget to check out the free Sabbath Soak ritual guide found in the show notes. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review on Apple or Spotify. Your feedback means the world to me and helps more people discover the joy of plants, flowers, oils, and whimsy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful, magical day. Goodbye.